Ready, Noad? Give it a shot. Nice. So what happened the first time? Yeah, second time you figured it out and the roll was a lot easier the second time. Try it again. Remember to go to your setup position all the way to the setup. On your mark, get set, go. Better. Jonathan, whenever you're ready. That's pretty good, Jonathan, pretty good. The paddle went down instead of out wide, so it's probably about 95% easy. If you'll sweep the paddle in a wider arc, it'll feel even easier. Yeah, you want a neutral blade on the angle though. Neutral blade on the angle. Now skim it forward into your setup. Yep. Go from there into your, that's it. Just hit the rewind button. You had really good torso rotation. Even though the blade went down, you rotated your torso and you had a strong hip snap, and that's what brought the boat up. Try it one more time. Nice, that was really good. Probably the easiest of the three. Nicely done. All right, Brad, you ready? No pressure. Not bad. The left hand punched out quite a bit. When the left hand punched out, it changed the center of gravity. The blade went deep. Try to keep your left hand fixed. Yep. Actually, quite a bit better. Kind of the same. The left hand moved a little bit. Remember to sweep your paddle in a wide arc. The further away from you, the better. Try that again. All right. Okay, let's try it again. Remember to sweep your paddle in a wide arc. Get the paddle out wide, like 3 to 4 feet away from you, even wider. And you'll feel the extension will help get the boat underneath of you. I'm ready. Left hand still moved again. Try to keep your left hand fixed. That tells me we're using our arms more than we're using our torso. Keep your left hand fixed and rotate the torso. Sweep the paddle in a wide arc. You've done 4 in a row though, by the way. That's pretty good, except for that one we did the T-rescue. Start now by looking at the blade. Develop that habit. There you go. Come on over. That was probably the easiest one yet. Probably 90–95% easy. Good job. Good job. Awesome. All right, guys, time for us to wrap. Nice, good job. Awesome. Nice, good job, good job. Under pressure. Jonathan, how many times have you been kayaking?
Well, I went on the weekend class before, and a couple times in the pool.
Okay.
I'd say maybe 3, 4.
3 or 4 times? But it's been almost a year. Well, it's probably been 7 or 8, 9 months or so since you've been in a boat. Is that right?
Yeah.
And how quickly did it come back to you?
Really quick, actually.
Okay.
In the first couple of minutes, I got all the strokes back, at least.
Yeah, and as well as the comfort in the boat. And how did you feel just about the learning progression?
It was good. It was a whole bunch of, small steps that I didn't really know how they fit. So they didn't really seem intuitive as a roll. I didn't know why we were doing them. But then when you finally do the whole progression, everything just snapped together. It felt perfect. It was awesome.
Awesome.
Very good instruction.
Thank you. I appreciate that. So whenever we roll, did you feel a difference between some rolls that were easy and some that were not quite as easy?
Yeah.
And at least at this point, it's unusual we have a 100% success rate in a roll class, but usually we have some reference point of what feels right. And you guys have hit so many rolls now, and you've hit them. We've made some pretty hard moves right here in the pool. I'm pretty convinced that these rolls will work for us on the river. Good job. Thanks for coming.
Thanks.
So Brett, have you ever rolled before? No. How many times have you been in a kayak?
Probably like 5 or 6 times.
Okay, but the formal training really began yesterday, more or less? Yes. Okay, so no rolls prior to today. How many rolls have you done today?
Like 10.
At least, yeah. Are they getting pretty easy?
Yeah, pretty easy. Yeah.
How did you feel about the learning progression?
It's a really smooth. You start off pretty much not knowing anything, and by the time you're done, you're ready to go.
Awesome.
Baby steps, and then you're doing this.
Was it easier than you thought?
Yes, definitely.
So a lot of things we do in kayaking are counterintuitive. Would you think this is one of them?
I think it's neat. It's very neat. It's very much neat. It's all about the technique, really. It's all about the technique.
Good job. Thanks for coming.